now here in the Impact Challenger Arena for the 47th Bangkok International Motor Show. And say hi. We're gonna check out the cars and car accessories. Uy, sim racing. We got our tickets for the Bangkok International Motor Show. Pero 12 pa yung opening. So we're having early lunch lang muna in Chubo Hachi. Hans, say hi. Josh, say hi. Yeah, we're gonna eat lunch lang. Mamaya pa siya papasok. But the entrance is 100 baht. So it's like around 180 Philippine pesos. Pang isang araw lang to? Pang isang araw lang to? So bukas babayad ulit tayo.
Hindi, natagay ko kung may makita sa dyan.
Anyway, we're gonna eat lunch lang. This is lang, nasa Impact Arena rin siya. Yeah. I got the salmon chirashi. Looks yummy. Pero ang light niya. Konti lang yung rice. Chirashi. Salmon chirashi.
ตลอดอายุการใช้งานรับประกันภัยชั้นหนึ่งนะ
BMW
Mas mahal pa to, 6,000. Kung yung bibigay ka ng ganda pero ganyan. Wala yung kagabi yung kulang ng parang
Ngayon sa Kia. Sa Kia. Ano to? Kia? Kia. We're looking around now. EV5. Full electric to. Sabi yung mga screen nila, puro ganyan na, ang hahaba.
Mandar to.
Gumagalaw?
Oo.
O nga, gumagalaw yung gulong. Ba't naka-start? 5-seater lang siya.
Yan si Josh. Ganda din, no?
Bagong kicks. Parang same na yung loob niya. Parang same na yung loob niya. Wala pa sa ating ganito eh. Ba't parang Hyundai? Ganda oh. Gusto ko to. Puro plastic trim. Region cost. 80 oh. Yaris 80. Bagong Hilux. Driver, sa McDo lang po.
3.7.
Driver, come on, let's go. Let's go to McDo, please. This is the 4-seater Lexus LM. Grabe, ang ganda, guys. Ang dami niyang... Uy, tingnan mo, may mirror ka din, oh. Galing. Tuwang-tuwa. Driver, driver. Driver. Driver, sa ano po? Sa McDo po, driver.
Ito pala yung force.
Driver, McDo.
Ano, may mirror pa dito. Oo, ano? Mas paano ako sa harap? Pwede mo ano ito?
Oo, pero ako saan dito. Hindi siyang table, guys, oh. Para ka na sa airplane. So, dito siya. Sasakit natin siya. Tapos, nandito yung seat controls. I can recline the seats. Like so.
ก้าวสู่โลกแห่งอนาคตที่ขับเคลื่อนด้วยพลังฟังก์ชันแสดงฐานะการใช้ พร้อมลำโพง 14 ตำแหน่ง ฟรีระบบ Mazda Connectivity 5 ปีกิโลเมตร
Mazda
ฟรีโปรแกรม Electric Mazda Care คุ้มครองและดูแลรถนาน8
Ganda, may ano pala siya?
หรือ 160,000
May-
กิโลเมตรให้การคุ้มครองแบตเตอรี่แรงดันสูงนาน
Di ba pa-flat? Ready, set, Ford!
Come to my home. Wait lang.
To my house. Press platinum. Hindi siya titanium po. Pero parang same lang din yung interior. Typical. Ganda. Ganda ng screen niya, oh. Laki. Ayun, galing may sunroof. Panoramic moonroof. Parang hindi pa nila ginawa tong LED. Driver, sumakto po. Cute.
ง่ายแต่แฝงด้วยความประณีตซับซ้อนบอกนั่งง่ายที่ปรับไฟฟ้าได้8 ทิศทางสำหรับผู้ขับขี่
On the way to Tagaytay! Yay!
รวมถึงฟังก์ชันบอท
Depende siya ng tao, like this lang. Pero wala namang car sa harap.
พรีเมียมเดนซ่าดีนายมาพร้อมระบบขับเคลื่อนล้อหน้า
I like this car. This is my dream car.
Bakit?
Naka-bend yung
Oo,
screen.
kaya nga eh. Galing
Ang galing.
no?
Tapos mayroon ka rin sariling screen.
Bose, oh.
Ito yung... Ang ganda ng photos niya, ang crispy. Diba? It's my dream car.
Next queue. 1,
Dito pala yung Fermi
2,
Market eh.
7.
Floating na, no? Style.
We're now in Loft. We're just checking out some stuff and buying some stuff. I bought some pasalubong for my friend. I bought a Sinski here. But the stuff here is a bit more expensive than the Philippines. 325 baht. I'm actually curious about their coffee. This one. But I'll think about it. Right now I'm having bad allergies. But I already drank Claritin. Let's look at their matcha corner. You don't have a lot of stuff here compared to the one in Japan. Ito lang yung matcha nila. Sa Japan, sobrang daming options. Pero sila sobrang konti. And it's expensive. Oh, it's like 690 baht. This one is cute. I like this one. But it looks expensive, so never mind. Oh, that's cute. Earrings yan? Oo nga, no, earrings. It's cute. Look at my nails. Isa lang naiwan. Isa na nahulog. Anyway, we're gonna go na. We're in Icon Siam.
Traffic validation is available at the information counter on the ground floor.